Promethean Whiteboard naturally lends itself to student interaction, particularly with multi-user mode. To access multi-user mode, tap the button on the toolbar. You still have access to the menu and can save the whiteboard session. Exit multi-user mode by tapping the button once more. Multi-user mode is indicated by a dotted vertical line down the center of the screen. Both toolbars include the pen tool and widths, the highlighter tool and widths, 5 default ink colors, and a color palette with additional options. The eraser tool and widths, clear all annotations, and math tools. Students can work at their own pace in their own space. Multi-user mode is perfect for activities, collaboration, and more.